exercise. This massively links in with the mind video. I have done a session with my practitioner on this. I absolutely require a couple more sessions. This is something that I found throughout my life has been a constant challenge. Anyone with ADHD might find this a similar challenge. Feeling that you're unable to be consistent with something or disciplined with something. Can we shed whatever beliefs and blocks that we have that's stopping us from receiving the abundance of value that exercise brings to our lives? Can we shed the idea of what exercise actually is? This is a new one that I've stumbled across, that exercise doesn't mean going to the gym, doing things on repeat, going for a run. Exercise is the function of the human body, the movement that it can do, the movement that it's literally designed to do. Therefore, exercise is us literally just moving our bodies, being flexible with it, being strong with it, exploring what functions it has. I did another video on me rolling about, moving about like a kid, like we used to do as a kid, like playing as if you're an animal and moving in those kinds of ways and climbing up door frames and rolling around. That's moving and using so many muscles that as adults we just don't do anymore. So if you have kids, this is great, and if you don't have kids and you're able to tap into that in a child, moving and playing in that way is also exercise. It doesn't have to look like doing a sport. It doesn't have to look like going to the gym or going for a run. It doesn't have to look like what we understand exercise is. So can we shed the idea of what exercise is? Can we shed those habits and that mentality around what this means to us? Can we shed the avoidance of it? It is so beneficial for so many things. We know this. There is so much research, so much proof, even when times when I have been in states where I've managed to really enjoy it, I feel so good because my body is representing that as well. And then when you look in the mirror and you see how healthy you look, that makes you feel better. Your brain is functioning better. The mental state that you're in and how you execute life is better. The biology of our body is improved. If you're wanting to have children, getting your body ready to birth children and grow children, everything is improved. Can we shed the avoidance of even learning about it? If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. It's my pleasure to answer them.